I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take care of quails using an easy method. First, ensure your quails have a safe, spacious home. A good enclosure protects them from predators and offers enough room to move freely. Next, focus on their diet. They need a consistent supply of high-quality game bird feed and fresh, clean water. Keeping their living area tidy is also crucial for their health and happiness. Creating the right home for your quails is key. Each bird requires about 1 square foot of space to thrive, preventing overcrowding. Use fine mesh wire for their enclosure to keep them secure and prevent any tiny escapes. Also, remember to include a dust bath. A shallow container with fine sand allows them to clean their feathers naturally, which is essential for their hygiene and well-being. Proper nutrition is vital for healthy quails. Young quails or chicks need a game bird starter feed with about 24 to 30% protein for strong growth. As they mature, transition them to an 18 to 20% protein layer feed. Always provide fresh, clean water. Use shallow dishes or specialized waterers to prevent drowning, especially for chicks, and refill them daily to ensure constant hydration. Maintaining your quail's health involves daily observation. Look for any changes in behavior, appetite, or appearance that might indicate illness or injury. A clean coop is your best defense against parasites and bacteria, so regular cleaning is essential. Providing enrichment, like small branches or hiding spots, also reduces stress. And speaking of valuable resources, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.